The long-rumored foldable iPhone is no longer just speculation. A wave of fresh leaks suggests Apple is finally preparing to launch its first foldable smartphone, and the details coming from multiple insiders are painting a surprisingly clear picture. According to a report, Apple's foldable iPhone could arrive this fall alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. For years, this space has been dominated by Samsung devices, but Apple appears ready to step in with a very different design philosophy. One of the biggest revelations is the hardware configuration. Rumors say that Apple's foldable device will feature 12 GB of RAM, putting it on the same level as the Pro series iPhones in terms of memory power. Even more interesting, the report claims Samsung will supply Apple with 12 GB LPDDR5X memory chips, meaning the biggest competitor in foldables could also be providing a key internal component. Storage options were revealed by well-known leaker Instant Digital, who says the foldable iPhone will come in 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB variants. Unlike some top-tier Pro Max models that occasionally offer 2 TB storage, Apple may stick with this 3-tier setup, similar to the standard Pro lineup. Design leaks are equally fascinating. According to leaked renders from a highly reliable tipster with a strong track record, Apple appears to be adopting a wider landscape first layout similar to the Huawei PurX style approach. When unfolded, the device would be wider than it is tall, creating an experience closer to opening an iPad mini. Another major focus for Apple has reportedly been eliminating the dreaded display crease. According to recent reports, Apple's engineering team spent years trying to minimize the visible fold line that appears in most foldable screens. While physics still makes a perfectly crease-free display difficult, insiders claim the crease on Apple's device is almost invisible. More hardware details come from leaker Shia Cohen, who claims the device could feature a 5.3-inch outer display and a 7.6-inch inner foldable screen. The build may combine a titanium frame with an aluminum body, keeping the phone strong yet lightweight. When unfolded, the thickness could drop to an incredibly slim 4.5 mm, which would make it one of the thinnest foldable phones ever. Security might also change, as the device could replace Face ID with Touch ID. Battery life could be another highlight, with rumors pointing to a 5,600 mAh battery. Leaked CAD renders also show a punch-hole camera placed on the top left corner of the inner display. Pricing leaks from Instant Digital suggest the foldable iPhone may cost 15,999 yuan, 17,999 yuan, and 19,999 yuan in China. Analysts estimate that globally, this could translate to roughly $1,999 for 256 GB, $2,199 for 512 GB, and about $2,399 for the 1 TB model. If current reports are accurate, Apple could officially reveal its first foldable iPhone around September, launching alongside the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.